Today I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a video on Steam, step by step. If you've recorded gameplay, created a highlight clip, or made a guide for a game and want it visible on your Steam profile, this is the easiest way to do it. A lot of people don't realize that Steam actually uses YouTube to host videos, so the process is slightly different from uploading a normal file. But don't worry, I'll walk you through everything from start to finish so you can get your video on your Steam profile in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to upload your video to the YouTube. Since Steam pulls videos directly from YouTube, your video needs to already be uploaded there before you can add it to your Steam profile. So go to YouTube, upload your gameplay or video like you normally would, and once it's finished processing, you're ready for the next step. Now open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Steam opens, look at the top of the window and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page, where all your activity, screenshots, and videos are displayed. Next, navigate to the Videos tab on your profile. If this is your first time uploading a video, you may see an option that says Link a YouTube account. Click on that option. Steam will then ask you to sign in with your Google or YouTube account so it can access the videos you have uploaded. Go ahead and log in and approve the connection. Once your YouTube account is linked, Steam will display a list of videos from your channel. Find the video you want to upload to Steam and select it. After selecting the video, you'll also be asked to choose the game that the video is related to. This helps Steam categorize the video and show it on the game's community page. Select the correct game from the list and then click Add Video. Steam will now attach that YouTube video to your profile. Once it's added, the video will appear under the video section of your Steam profile where other users can watch it, and that's it. That's exactly how to upload a video on Steam using your YouTube account. It only takes a couple of minutes once everything is connected. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials that help you get the most out of your apps, games, and software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.